Lesson 1. What is programming? And why Python? At its core, programming is the act of writing instructions for a computer to follow. Think of it like writing a recipe for a robot chef. Each instruction tells the computer what to do, step by step, in a language it understands. Programming equals problem solving plus logic plus language. With Python, we write these instructions in a human-friendly syntax like Python, copy, edit, print, hello world. Just like we speak in English or Malay, computers speak in binary, ones and zeros. But since that's hard for us to work with, we use languages like Python to translate our logic into something the machine can execute. Imagine teaching someone to make tea. You might say, boil water. Add tea leaves. Wait 3 minutes. Pour into cup. That's programming. You're breaking down a task into precise, ordered steps called an algorithm. In Python, the make tea instructions could look like Python, copy, edit, print, boil water, print, add tea leaves, print, wait 3 minutes, print, pour into cup. Socratic questions. Why do you think computers need such detailed instructions? Can you think of a real-world example, outside cooking, where giving vague instructions would lead to confusion? Why might Python's simple syntax be helpful for beginners? Write out 3 to 5 steps for a simple task, like brushing your teeth, tying your shoes, or making a sandwich, as if you were telling a robot to do it. Be as specific and literal as possible. Mini exercise to make a cup of coffee 1, boil water 2, pour boiled water into the mug 3, put in 2 teaspoons of coffee powder 4, put in 2 teaspoons of sugar 5, add 2 tablespoons of milk 6, stir to mix. Great job! Partying face, you've just written your first algorithm, a sequence of well-defined steps to accomplish a task. That's exactly what programming is all about. Let's analyze and reflect on your instructions like a programmer would. White heavy check mark strengths of your steps. They're clear and linear, perfect for a computer or a robot. You included quantities, which is essential, e.g., 2 teaspoons of sugar. You ended with an action to combine everything, stir to mix. Just a few things to watch out for. In step 2, you pour water into the mug before adding the coffee powder. Most recipes reverse that, but it depends on the method. Did you check if the mug was empty before pouring? A computer might need extra precision. How much water? How hot should it be? This shows how computers need explicit instructions for every single step, no assumptions allowed. What would happen if the robot skipped step 6? What if you told it to stir before pouring anything into the mug? Can you imagine how these steps might translate into Python code using print or input?